Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based GPS tracking system for dementia patients. So here we are going to monitor the dementia patients health parameters with help of the pulse sensor and temperature sensor. So from the pulse sensor we are going to monitor the heart rate, and from the temperature sensor we are going to detect the temperature of the person, and also if any fault detection has occurred, with help of this fault sensor we will detect that. And based on these abnormal conditions from the three sensors, if the temperature is more than 100 degree Fahrenheit, or if the heart rate is above 98 beats per minute, or if the person fault detection, based on the three abnormal conditions, system will send the message alerts to the registered mobile number, and that message consists of the health parameters like how much of heartbeat was there and how much of temperature, and whether it is a fault detector or not, emergency situation. These three messages consist of location also. That location with placed with the Google Maps link, there we'll get the message like this one. Okay, so the abnormalities, like as we discussed, temperature is 98 beats per minute. So for sending SMS, we are making use of this GSM module. To get the location, we are making use of this GPS module. This one is the antenna, this one is the processor, which will provide us the latitude longitude values which we will get from the satellite. So when we are demonstrating this project, the first setup is like we need to place this kit under the sky view. Then only we will get the live locations from the satellite vision by this antenna, and that was given to the processor, and from there to the Arduino Nano board, and from there whenever the abnormality detected, the system will send the message alerts, and continuously we are going to displaying the status on this LCD screen, and the abnormalities will get the buzzer also from this piezo buzzer. So in this one we are getting power supply from this adapter to this GSM module, and from there to the 5 volts is distributed through this breadboard, and from here the 5 volts distributed throughout the inputs and output modules of our project along with the nano board. So here the next set, so as we discussed, we need to place the kit under the sky view, and the next setup is like we need to place insert a valid SIM card into this GSM module. So it should be like other than Geo, you can use any SIM card. So like as shown in this video, insert that, the knot should be this side, and gently push and forward lock that. So this second setup, and after we can on the power supply to this GSM module. So here we have connected this GSM module to the nano board at pin number 9, and a GPS module at pin number 8, and the fault detection sensor at pin number 11, and heartbeat sensor at A0, and temperature sensor A1, and pin number 2 to pin number 7 this LCD screen. So right, after the system on and off 2 times that buzzer, and wait till the signal received by the GSM module. So this light will blinks very slowly after the SIM card received by the GSM module. Right, place the finger. So if you didn't get the message, you can just reset this nano board. So here we can see the nano board, just reset that. You can make a call to the SIM card, you will get the dialer tone. If you get like system got switched off and like SIM card got switched off, then you need to reset the system. So when you tap on this heartbeat sensor, then the heart rate will be increased, so you can get the abnormal heart rate. Right, so we have received the high heart rate message, and that message consists of health parameters along with a temperature, and if it is fault detection occurred, so there you can see the one light is get switched on this one, so you can see that. So when it is fall in this direction or any direction, you can get the lights in 360 directions. Okay, so when it is fall, we should place this finger on the heartbeat sensor, must and should. So emergency, and now the system will send the emergency message alerts to the registered phone number. Right, so we got the emergency message, and same for, so every time you give the input to the system abnormalities, you should have the finger on this heartbeat sensor, then only the loop will be executed. Right, so we got the messages. In this manner we can track the person of the who suffered with dementia. This is along with health parameters also we can monitor. And this message consists of location values. So if we place the skid under the sky view, then we'll get the exact location values instead of getting 00.